Hi everyone, welcome to my online art classes. So today we will be learning how to draw an animal called sheep. Okay, but not the sheep, we'll draw the baby sheep that is called a lamb. Okay, for that what you have to do is keep your paper standing like this or vertical. You can keep it like this straight. Okay, from the center of the page we will start. Okay, so this will be a paper. In the center of the page we'll start by drawing the lamb. I'll show you step by step and you can draw along with me. Let's start with the face like this, curved, and come down like this. Okay, so this will be like a reverse C shape, opposite of C shape. So start from here, come down like this, like a reverse C shape, and then make the first part of the face this way. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to draw the wool on all over the body of the lamb. So we'll make this shape like a cloud like this. All the way till down. Here. This way. It is in the shape of a cloud, so start making by making small semicircles like this. 1, 2, 3 like this. Same way we'll draw some more semicircles, but this way, like a upside down, like a U shape till this. So this line and this line will join here, then we'll make this one. Now for the ears we'll make like a U shape here. In the center, this line you can erase it afterwards. Okay, done. Now we'll start with the body of the sheep. For drawing the body of the sheep, we'll make the same shape like the clouds only. This way. First you draw in the shape of a C. This is a C shape and you have to make this one. Some more of them. For the front leg, all the legs and the hand and the body, everything is covered with the wool. So we completely draw the whole body with the wool in this way. Now we'll draw two hands. This cloud, we'll draw the second hand. Third and fourth. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the tail also we'll draw some similar shape this way. Okay, now done. Now we'll draw the eyes of the sheep. For that we'll make two oval shape over here, 1 and 2. Two oval shape. Draw one circle, semicircle inside this way. Okay, now this is the front part of the face that we did. From here we'll draw one curved line like this, and like a V shape we make this. This line continues here and make a smile of the sheep. We'll draw 3 eyelashes on each eyes, 1, 2, 3, and the eyebrows this way. Now after this we will be making one butterfly. We'll make the butterfly over here. Okay, so the sheep is looking at the butterfly. For drawing the butterfly we are making a circle here and the body of the butterfly we'll draw two curved lines on the body. And the wings of the butterfly this way. We'll draw two dots for the eyes and one smile. And two antennas. Why are we drawing these dotted lines? To show that the butterfly has flown from here to here. Just a small patch of grass we can draw here. Our sheep is completed. Now you can take your black marker or a black sketch pen and we can start outlining. Whatever you have drawn, you have to trace that with the help of a black marker. Slowly, step by step. Remember, this inside line we will be erasing it, so don't trace that. Same way we will continue for the body. Our lamp coloring, our lamp drawing and outline is done. You can now color as you like. Okay, bye bye. If you like my drawing classes online, do like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next class.